friends. It's January 6th and everything is getting back to normal. And whatever normal may be. And Happy New Year. And hopefully everyone had a wonderful holiday. And wishing you all the very, very best in 2025. I can't believe it. 2025.
Hello, animal friends. First pickup of 2025. A little off-take of Blues Brothers. We got half a tank of gas, 15 places to pick up, and no smokes. Not that we smoke, but... yeah, so it's minus 22 Celsius, but it's supposed to warm up. With the wind chill, it's probably about minus 30.
No, with the wind chill, it's minus 38.
Really?
Yes.
Huh.
But look at this. We have no icy road conditions.
Icy road.
It's a beautiful drive.
Yeah.
You know, and
sun's out.
Yeah, and it's a little chilly, but you know what? It's kind of nice to just get some fresh air.
Yeah, no mosquitoes.
No.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And let's see here. And here is, let's see. There's President Timmy right there.
What are you doing, Timmy?
And, yeah. So he's, I don't know if he's excited or not to go out today, but anyways, that's the president.
I think this is the first dog I've ever seen that doesn't like car rides.
No,
I don't know if he likes car rides.
No, I don't think he does. Well, he's not used to them, right?
Yeah.
So we got to remember that. He's never been in a car and got excited to go for a ride. Oh, but anyways, he has his toy and his blanket and his nice soft bed, and oh, he's tired. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, this is our next stop, and it's an old stove, a really old stove, and yeah. Okay. All right. And I don't know what that is, some kind of table, something, weed whacker, and all right. Okay, are you okay there, hon?
Yeah.
Because I'm going back in the car. Yeah. And here he comes with the dishwasher. And I think now we're going to the scrapyard because the trailer's kind of full. You know it's cold when you hear the crunch, crunch, crunch of the snow. Jeez.
I can do it.
Yes, you can.
With a bag full of cans.
When you're cold, gotta laugh. All along there, up there, are the pigeons that we see, and they're trying to get some sun and I guess warmth. Yeah, but they're out, and they're all huddled together. All huddled together. Oh my. Oh. But their homes are all in between the containers and all those kind of things. And there's a bunch up there. Oh, there we go. If you can see them, there's a bunch there. And then they go in between the containers and live there. But they're all out. Okay, so this is our next stop here. Okay, okay. And, okay. Oh, and it is, I don't know, maybe around, I'm going to say around 11 o'clock, 11:30, maybe I'm a little off, but, and one may be wondering, is it warming up out there? No, it's not warming up at all. Now, that's a unique find. Look at that bird cage. Isn't that something different? Wow. Okay. And here comes Ron. He has more pots and pans. He needs food in the fire and he's ready to go. Okay. So that's a pretty unique find, that bird cage. Okay. I'm going in the... Okay, so we're going to our next stop, and I thought that was garbage cans, but no, it's a dishwasher. So we have another find. We have lots of appliances today. Couple dryers, stove, couple stoves, couple dishwashers, a washing machine. So it's an appliance kind of day. Wow, that's great. Thank you. Okay. So we have a snow blower,
Central vac.
a central vac, and is that motor for the central vac?
No, that motor's for the snow blower.
Oh, for the snow blower, and it's all taken apart. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for this. Wow. That's all right. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we have cans and some coffee pot and cans. Thank you very much for this. Okay, we're on our way to the scrapyard, and that's it. On our way home, we have a few things we have to pick up, and then we're going home. So it's a balmy -20. It feels like -28 right now, but it was an enjoyable day. What do you think there, Pilot Ron?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I think so. Cold.
3 loads.
Yeah, but it's
Picking up 2 hot water tanks and a washer and dryer on the way home.
oh yeah, right. That's what we're picking up. So
Yep.
it's all good. Everything's good. It's been a good day. All right.
Good start of a new year.
That's it. That's right. Yes. Happy New Year, and we'll talk again.